Welcome back, guys. Today we are on Wifey project episode 3. So in the last 2 videos you just see me repairing the front end, priming up, ready to get the car ready for prep. So today we are actually going to prep the car, and then obviously next episodes will probably be repairing the bumper that I showed you in episode 1, I think, or maybe episode 2. So I think this video is going to be more of a time lapse of me just stripping out a panel at a time, prepping up a panel at a time, just so we don't get lost. Yeah, as some of you may know, i.e. like Danny and maybe Craig if I spoke to you since the last couple of videos, I tend to get a little carried away. It started as just neating up the front end so she can drive it around to, oh, you know what, let's just give the car a repaint. Yeah, my OCD takes over a little bit and I don't want to drive around in something that looks a little bit, you know, rubbish, considering I work in the trade and she might want to come to the car shows with us. So I'm probably just going to set the camera up for time lapse and we'll just crack on with a panel at a time and see how far we get today. Right guys, finally got the car prepped. So let's do a little walk around. Gonna end the episode here. I've got 2 bumpers to sort out, but I'm gonna try and buy the top half of the bumper because the other one's absolutely ruined, which I'll show you in a minute. Roof's all done. Oh. There we go.
Bonnet.
Yeah.
Ready for some.
So the bonnet, that still needs priming, but I've neatened all the holes up. Just put silicone in and then cut it back so it's nice and neat. And I've started this.
The work in progress.
Unfortunately I had to belt sand it, so I'm going to smooth it off with 120 and do the whole thing. And we put some mesh and Innertech glue top bits. So that's it for today. I hope you liked. I hope you tune into the next episode. Please don't forget to like and sub and comment. Take care.